Hello friends, welcome to the FAQ series, where we will answer all the frequently asked questions about PickMyTrade. So the first question is, how to place trade in multiple sub-accounts, like a PE001 and a PE002 into my one Tradovate login. Let's say my Tradovate login has more than 2 accounts, so how could I automate in those accounts with single alerts? So let me show you. You first go to Generate Alert utility, like indicator whatever you want to do. So let's say if I select the strategy, and you select, do you want to add multiple accounts? Yes. And then add a user. If you don't need to change anything over there, you just put the account name. So let me put the account name, AP001, and in the quantity multiplier just put 1. If you want to double the quantity with the original alert, you can put 2, like you can multiply, otherwise, generally, it's going to be 1, like whatever alert quantity comes, you want to place the same quantity in this account and save changes. Another account is AP002, then click on Add Users, click their quantity multiplier 1, and save changes. Generate alert. So that way it would add the multiple accounts, and you just click copy and paste into the Tradovate. Let me show you the indicator as well. All those kinds of things we have explained to you in the separate video. I will put the link in the description, so you can watch over there. Click on, do you want to add? Yes, add a user token, you don't need to change anything, and add user AP001, I can add as many accounts as I want. Quantity multiplier 1, save changes, click on generate alert, click on copy code, and paste it into the TradingView alert. So let's click on copy, create the alert. You select your indicator whatever you want to select, paste it tab, make sure it is right. In the notification, go to this, click their webhook, and copy paste, that's all. In the next video, we will learn about other new FAQs.